I'm taking you with me today. I've got my camera today. I'm going out for some photography at long last. It's really hot out there, so I'm not going to be very long, but I'm taking you with me. We're going to go inside Marble Hill House in Twickenham. We're going to go to York House. There's another Georgian, both Georgian homes. And Eel Pie Island I'm taking you to today. So, come with me and I hope you enjoy the video. So take care everybody and I'll see you soon. Bye. Good morning guys. Okay, today I've come to Twickenham and it's chaos basically, just madness.
Just to the south coast.
So I've come for a walk on the very
You're right,
renowned Eel Pie Island. 60s it was a hub of rock and roll stars that used to come here to play at Eel Pie Hotel, which got burnt down sadly. So I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of the island. And the quirky homes on it. Anyway, I've come out for a little bit of photography to be quite honest today. I'll show you this quirky house which has been taken over by, it's not even ivy is it? Iron Gate Boathouse. You can't even see out the windows if you're inside. That's a shame, isn't it? And then we have, just along here, the Love Shack, which is pink roof. Look at that. Let's have a look. With a crazy chicken. Oh, now this is the Love Shack house. Christmas nutcracker. Oh, not a nutcracker. I don't know what you call them. Anyway, Love Shack. We just go a little further. We can't go far down here. It's a quick tour because right down the end you can't go very far because they've got some boat houses and things. Boat builders, I mean. So I don't know how far I can go. Anyway, everybody, this is just a quick vid of Eel Pie Island. It's not quick. Beautiful York house and gardens, which are obviously no look well the sun. We've had so much dry weather, it looks like it's a straw. But anyway, York House has been in many a film and a TV series that's been used, like Ted Lasso, The Gold, that was a film, SAS Rogue Heroes, Belgravia, Geek Girl, Series 1, and I think that's about it. Anyway, it's beautiful. Georgian architecture. Now belongs to Richmond and Twickenham Council, and at the moment in there is a wedding going on. Coffee and camera, and I've got to tell you, where am I? I'm at the stables barn in Twickenham near Orleans House, having a coffee, and I can't tell you how hot I feel today. Anyway, just having a little break while I'm taking some photos. House, the home of Henrietta Howard. We purchased this home, I'm not actually sure of the date, but it's Georgian. It's beautiful, lovely gardens, Got a plant sale over here. Let's go and have a little nosy. Honey, Marble Hill honey. And let's see what plants. I did buy a plant from here once and it's really, really thriving. That is, I think, rosemary, which I've got loads of. That's pretty. Okay, we're going to go inside.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to Windsor and Eton Riverside.